Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, your guide for today's episode about motivating maintenance technicians. We shall explore some key insights that could revolutionize your maintenance team, turning it into a powerhouse of efficiency and proactivity. You will learn the importance of motivation, understand the needs of your technicians, and discover practical strategies to keep your team motivated. Stay tuned for the end for some frequently asked questions that will address common roadblocks. Today, we're unpacking some powerful insights that can transform your maintenance team into a more efficient and proactive unit. What does motivation really mean? It's the driving force behind our actions and goals. For maintenance technicians, motivation often stems from the pride of seeing equipment running smoothly and efficiently. But how do we ensure that our technicians feel this sense of achievement and satisfaction? Firstly, it's crucial to recognize the hierarchy of needs specific to maintenance technicians. These include job security, competitive salary, respect, availability of necessary parts, accessible help resources, and opportunities for training and personal growth. Addressing these needs creates a foundation for a motivated team. Now, how can we practically motivate our technicians? Here are some proven strategies. Create a positive work environment with all the necessary tools and clear procedures. Provide opportunities for self-development to help technicians advance their skills. Foster a collaborative atmosphere where technicians can support each other. Encourage a stress-free environment by minimizing equipment breakdowns. Set clear, simple goals and avoid showing frustration or anger. Promote a culture of learning from mistakes rather than blaming. Implement a dashboard to track and display progress and metrics, fostering a sense of competition and achievement. However, motivation can dip if certain negative factors exist within your organization. These can include lack of appreciation, changing maintenance schedules without notice, insufficient information or parts, temporary fixes without follow-up, excessive overtime, weak leadership, and a lack of empowerment for technicians to make decisions or suggest improvements. To build a proactive maintenance team, ensure your technicians are well-versed in maintenance processes, planning, and scheduling. Use tools like maintenance scheduling process maps and teach them about work execution specifications and the importance of failure report analysis. Remember, maintenance technicians are human. They strive for self-actualization and need to feel capable of achieving their tasks. It's important to create scenarios where they can succeed, which builds their confidence and willingness to take on new challenges. What does a proactive maintenance technician look like? They ensure maintenance work is to specification, they actively seek knowledge, they immediately report any issues, and they are committed to preventive maintenance. To further increase motivation, consider these steps. Build trust and rapport. Conduct annual surveys with incentives. Provide regular educational sessions on specific maintenance topics. Offer handy resources like specific pocket manuals. Organize simple, quick-win training programs. Use toolbox talks to foster ongoing learning and dialogue. Regularly review and analyze rework to identify and address root causes. Offer formal training and encourage certification. Keep a scoreboard to track performance metrics. Lastly, let's address some frequently asked questions about motivating maintenance teams. Start with the team most likely to succeed to build momentum. Align maintenance goals with management's priorities. Small rewards and recognitions can be effective. Involve technicians in maintenance planning to increase their engagement and understanding. Address discipline proactively but fairly, focusing on improvement. Train technicians in new technologies as part of your process. Consider promotions based on skill level assessments and hands-on performance. By implementing these strategies, you can ensure your maintenance team is not only motivated, but also more effective and proactive in their roles. Remember, a motivated technician is a productive technician. Let's make our maintenance teams unstoppable. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the importance of motivation, the needs of maintenance technicians, and practical strategies to keep your team engaged. Remember, a motivated team is a productive team. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.